Hello everyone, and this is Matematik. In this video I'm going to talk about a third method of how we can multiply double-digit numbers. And this method is factoring. First, let me briefly explain how the factoring process works. So factoring is when we break the number into the product of its factors. So let's look at a number 24. Its factors are 8 and 3 and 6 and 4. 24 is also a product of 12 and 2, but 12 is a double-digit number, which doesn't make our calculations easy. So just try to factor numbers into single-digit numbers. So you see that a number can be written as a product of other numbers. This type of process can make our mental calculations much more easier and faster. Let's look at a problem. Here we are multiplying 486 by 482. The best number which we can factor here is 482. So we factor 482 into 7 multiplied by 6. Now let me write the proper thinking process. First we multiply 486 by 482. Then we factor 482 into the product of 6 and 7. The product of 6 and 482 is 276. Then we multiply 276 by 7, and we get 1932. So our final answer is 1932. This problem shouldn't be difficult for you because first we multiply a double-digit number by a single-digit number. After that, you are multiplying a triple-digit number by a single-digit number. So there shouldn't be anything difficult for you because you already learned that previously. The best part of the factoring method is that you don't need to memorize a lot of numbers in your head when you're doing your calculations. This method of factoring is much easier to do than the addition or subtraction methods. Now try to solve a problem by yourself. You can pause the video at this point and try to solve the problem without any help. I hope you solved this problem and you got 1368 as your answer. In this problem, we are trying to multiply 57 by 24. The number we are factoring is 24. 24 can be factored to 8 and 3. So we multiply 57 by 8 and then by 3. I would recommend solving this problem by first multiplying the double-digit number by the greatest single-digit number, because it's much easier to multiply a smaller number in the end of your calculations than by a bigger number. Let me clarify what I mean. In this problem, it's much easier to multiply 57 by 8 first, because if we first multiply by 3, we'll get a triple-digit number, and then we'll have to multiply a triple-digit number by 8. I think it will be wise to first multiply 57 by 8 to make things easier. Let's continue to solve the problem. After we multiply 57 by 8, we get 456. Then we multiply 456 by 3, and then we get 1368. So our final answer is 1368. Let's do one more problem. You can pause the video at this point and try to solve this problem by yourself. The right answer to this problem is 6,408. First, we factor 72 into 9 and 8. Then we multiply 89 by 9 and we get 801. Then we multiply 801 by 8 and we get 6,408 as our final answer. Now you know a third way of multiplying double-digit numbers. I personally think it's the easiest method. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.